Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI Select to create a GIF on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can pick a portion of a video or select motion from a live photo and convert it to a high quality GIF using AI detection of the best frames. So here you can go ahead and create GIFs from videos from your gallery. However, you can do this one more better. So if you're watching shorts from YouTube or maybe from TikTok, you can go ahead and convert this into a GIF. So here is an example. Let's just go ahead and search for moving wallpaper. And let's just say you want to create one of these GIFs like this. So to create this GIF from here, you can go ahead and long press on it first. Clear the mode. So basically remove all the overlay. Now next, you want to go ahead and open up your quick panel menu or your easy panel. And you want to go ahead and select the AI Select. Now once you do this, this will basically make a square around this image. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on the three dots and then tap on Create GIF. So this will now start creating a GIF. You can go ahead and choose what quality you want. Once you're ready to record, go ahead and tap on Record. This will now create a GIF of 30 seconds. Once you're happy with that, tap Stop. And now a GIF has been created. So you can go ahead and tap on Download. And the GIF has been saved. And let me show you the GIF. So this is a GIF which you've created just recently using TikTok. So you can create and share looping moments with ease, perfect for memes, reactions, or capturing memories in a more dynamic way on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to use AI Select to create GIF on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.